Let's start. The project name is the persistent bottom sheet. Let's see the project structure. Here we have the main activity. In the UI, we have an activity_main.xml file, which is the layout of the main activity. And a bottom_sheet_view.xml file, which is the layout of the persistent bottom sheet. In the activity_main.xml file, we have a button and a bottom sheet. Let's see the code. The coordinator layout is the root layout. Inside the root layout, we have a constraint layout that has a button. And below this, we have a bottom sheet. In the bottom_sheet_view XML file, we have a constraint layout as the root layout. The layout behavior attribute is set to bottom sheet behavior. And the rest of the UI could be anything you want. We have used some text views and image views just for the sake of having some generic UI. Let's see the Java code now. These are the imports. This is the main activity. These are the data members of the class. In the onCreate function, first, we get the bottom sheet behavior. Then we set the bottom sheet behavior callback. There are two behaviors, expanded and collapsed. Here we have set the onClick listener of the bottom sheet. When the bottom sheet is clicked, we check if the sheet is collapsed or expanded and set its state accordingly. Let's run the app. So that's it. That's how you can implement a persistent bottom sheet in Java Android. Thanks for watching.